So with Yeezy Day slowly approaching, you can expect the updates to continue as we get closer to the day. Now, this latest update completely caught me off guard. Like, I'm totally shocked. I literally had to film this video the night before you guys are seeing it because this pair is just going so crazy. So hopefully I'm not being too much of a hype beast, and hopefully this ages well when you guys see this tomorrow. So we got an update on the Yeezy MX Carbon. This comes courtesy of Donda's Place, and no, this is not a mock-up photo. These joints are actually in hand. So what are your first impressions, guys? Drop down in the comments. Let me know what you think about the upcoming Yeezy Foam Runner MX Carbon. This pair is rumored to be dropping for Yeezy Day. So this kind of is a complete game changer. This completely changes everything that we know for Yeezy Day. Expect the unexpected. And I gotta say, these new foam runners go absolutely crazy. So from the base, it looks like you have an onyx black foam runner colorway, but where things get super interesting is the MX swirl pattern. So first, we got to talk about the toe cap area. It looks like they got a neon yellow, neon green type of color going on right there, which is a complete contrast from the black base. Now on the sides, you got some purple going on there, you got some gray. These joints low-key got a mauve type of colorway going on, you know, the 700 V1 mauve. These joints go absolutely insane. And I gotta say, based off the foam runner colorways, again, I am filming this video in advance, so no hype beast, but I'm gonna say this is one of the best foam runner colorways that we have gotten to date. So no, they are not an earth tone vibe, but when we get these funky, crazy colors from the Yeezy brand, I can't help but get excited. I mean, 2022 has kind of been the year of the restocks. We haven't gotten many new colorways. So when Yeezy brand decides to drop something crazy like this, I get super hyped. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say it right now. These are one of my favorite foam runner colorways. These are a must cop, and these are now probably my most highly anticipated release for Yeezy Day 2022. So Donda's Place, yo, you gotta hit us with the on feet images, yo. The community needs that look. So these joints are going crazy. I had no idea these were scheduled to drop for Yeezy Day, which leaves the door open for so many endless possibilities. It looks like Yeezy brand has been keeping things top secret. They've been holding out a lot of these surprises, so I'm expecting a lot more heat to drop. I think there's gonna be another surprise release, so I cannot wait for Yeezy Day. So in other Yeezy Day news, I'm hearing that the Knit Runner Fade Azure could potentially be a Yeezy Day drop, which again is another surprise. Nobody knew these joints were coming, and if they drop on Yeezy Day, that is another shocker. It looks like Yeezy Day 2022 is gonna catch all of us on guard because it looks like they are not following any of the rules that they did for the previous Yeezy Days. We're getting restocks, we are getting newly produced pairs, classic Yeezys, and we're getting brand new colorways of some of the newest Yeezy models as well. So this is a big look, whether you guys love or hate these. It's an exciting release for Yeezy Day. And also, we got an update on the Yeezy 450 Utility Black. So I got my dark slate pair here, and I'm holding them because essentially the Utility Black is just a little darker of a version. One of the highlights you'll notice on the back here, this has a light brown fade on the back. Almost looks like these joints were dipped in bleach. The Utility Black will not have that feature, so it's just more of a primary all black 450. So while those may not be as high of a priority if you guys already own the dark slates, from what I'm hearing, it looks like those joints are going to be dropping in store on August 2nd. So that just fuels more of the rumors for Yeezy Day. Some people were saying August 1st, others saying August 2nd. With this release dropping in store, that makes things a lot more interesting. Could Yeezy Day have in-store pickup releases available as well? Because we're also hearing they may do exclusive access. So basically everything is on the table. I'm excited. You know, we are getting closer to Yeezy Day. So we'll see how things develop as we get closer, man. It's gonna be a movie. things are getting super exciting. So you guys already know I'm super hyped. I cannot wait. So if you guys would like for me to live stream for Yeezy Day, go ahead and support this video by dropping a thumbs up. Drop your feedback, man. If you guys haven't done so yet, let me know what you think about those MX Carbons, because at the time of this filming, I had to get a live reaction. I just think these joints go absolutely crazy, and these are now as my top priority come Yeezy Day. So salute to everybody for tuning in. I'm JA. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I will continue to keep y'all updated as Yeezy Day approaches. Salute. I'm out.